Hello, my name is Michael Christie, Artistic and Music Director of Southern California's New West Symphony. Welcome to the Tour of Iran edition of our Global Sounds Local Cultures season. This festival is presented in partnership with Farhang Foundation and contributions from the Iranian Female Composers Association. Festival highlights include performances by percussionist Pejman Haddadi, sitar virtuoso Masoud Rezai, santur player Hamid Saidi, mezzo-soprano Sasha Cook, and choreographer Melika Fatih, with culinary insights from Sadaf Salud Nazad. Come join us for this cultural voyage.